Are you missing out on valuable solar leads while you sleep? What if your business could engage customers 24/7, book appointments, and qualify leads without lifting a finger? Introducing Agent AI Chatbot for solar sales, your intelligent chatbot that guides leads into the sales funnel. Agent AI Chatbot seamlessly collects information while engaging proactively with a lead. Here, you can see that a potential customer is requesting for a solar quote and has provided his complete home address. Based on the information provided, the chatbot runs a roof scan on the property and adds the annual sun influx. It then asks for the last monthly power bill to enable it to calculate the optimal solar configuration. A screenshot or a PDF copy of the bill can also be shared on the chat to ensure a more detailed solar quote. Based on the information received, the bot confirms the monthly bill amount, power consumption, as well as the price per kilowatt hour. And after a short wait, voila! The solar estimate for your home is ready for review. The bot instantly sends a link to the solar proposal in the chat and also sends a copy via email. It then provides information on the next steps to take. In this case, the bot is scheduling a quick meeting with the potential customer at either 2 p.m. or 5 p.m. the next day. If the schedule doesn't suit, it suggests alternative time slots and dates. Once the potential customer picks a time, the bot books them into the calendar, which is integrated into the CRM. It further converses with the potential customer by asking anything specific that is needed to be discussed during the meeting. The chatbot can easily be integrated into your website, landing pages, or into your Facebook page. And that is it! Our powerful and fully customizable AI chatbot to help you with your solar installation business.